First, attach RFID electronic tags to each tool, giving them a unique identification code to enable precise management. After logging into the system, locate the required tool and close the cabinet door. The system will automatically conduct an inventory check. Once confirmed correct, you can take the needed tool. Enter Process Mode, locate the pre-created process, and confirm your selection. The interface will display all tool types and quantities required for that process, with the right side UI indicating the tier where the tools are located. Once tools are removed, if any overpicking or underpicking is detected, the system will prompt you to either take only the current tool or reselect the tools. After logging into the system, simply scan the tool tag. The interface will display the tier where the tool belongs. Once the tool is returned to its corresponding tier and the cabinet door is closed, the system will automatically generate a return record. Access the Tool Inventory Checking feature to conduct real-time inventory checks on all tools, and instantly synchronize the data with the backend management system. Access the Loan Records section to view the total number of tools across all tiers and the quantity on loan in the left interface, while the right interface allows you to check detailed tool borrowing records for all personnel. Access the Usage Records to view usage details for all personnel and tools. If tools are not returned within the predefined period, or the cabinet door is left open for an extended time, the tool cabinet will trigger an alert, while users can also access the Abnormal Records section to review all irregular incidents. The system will issue reminders if tools due for maintenance or overdue for inspection are checked out. Users can also access the Expiry Alerts section to view real-time tool calibration and disposal status. Access the Remove Dispose function, select the reason for removal, take out the corresponding tool, and close the cabinet door to complete the disposal or removal process for damaged tools or those pending maintenance. If a tool is not in its designated position or has been accidentally lost after being checked out, we can use an RFID handheld reader to assist in locating the missing tool. To locate a normally borrowed tool, directly access the RFID handheld device's tool locating system. Find the tool cabinet device name in the homepage list, then click to enter and search for the borrowed tool. To locate tools that are abnormally checked out and not in position, first enter the tool inventory checking to conduct an inventory check of the tools inside the cabinet. After the inventory is completed, tools not in position will be displayed. Once confirmed and submitted, log into the tool locating system, and find the missing tools in the search list to begin the search. When a tool enters the signal range, the handheld device will emit an audible alert. The closer you get to the tool, the stronger the signal becomes and the more frequent the beeping, significantly enhancing both the efficiency and success rate of locating lost tools.